students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my digital class. I am your teacher Negbano. Dear students, today we have to do reading and writing practice. For this purpose, we have two paragraphs. Read the following passage and answer the questions. When Idi was a child, he was given 2 paisas as pocket money every day. His mother told him to keep 1 paisa for himself and give 1 paisa to a poor person. When Idi came back from school, she would ask him how he had helped people. This is how Idi learned to be kind to everyone. When he grew older, he started helping people who lived near his village. His mother would give him clothes and food for the needy, and Idi would give it to them. Today, Idi has the largest welfare organization in Pakistan. He has made homes for orphans, widows, the disabled and the homeless. He also runs a shelter for animals. He also provides food, clothes and medicines for the poor. Idi has the largest private ambulance service in the world. Whenever there is an accident, his ambulances are the first to arrive. In 2005, his organization helped thousands of people after the earthquake. Idi has received many international and national awards for his charity work. He is well known all over the world. He wanted to spend his life helping people in need. Now we have to choose the correct answer. How much money did Idi get for his pocket money? A. 2 rupees. B. 2 paisas. C. 20 paisas. Our correct answer is 2 paisas. Number 2. Idi's mother taught him A. to be kind to everyone. B. to save money. C. to run an organization. Our correct answer is A. to be kind to everyone. Number 3. What was Idi's aim in life? A. he wanted to help people. B. he wanted to be very rich. C. he wanted to win award. The answer is A. he wanted to help people. Now you have a home task. This task you have to do in your notebook. Question. Read the paragraph carefully and answer the questions. There is paragraph. Many years ago, there was a gang of 4 thieves. who lived in a forest. They kept all their stolen money in a pot. After some time, 3 of the thieves decided to stop stealing and to do some honest work. They decided to look for work in the town. The 4th thief, however, did not like the idea at all. He did not say anything, but he planned to steal the money and escape. He was just waiting for an opportunity. Now this is your home task. You have to do in your notebook. Read the passage again and again and get answers. Question number 1. Where did the gang of thieves live? Number 2. What did 4 thieves keep in the pot? Number 3. How many thieves decided to stop stealing? Number 4. Why did the 4 thieves not say anything? Number 5. Who planned to steal the money? Okay, goodbye and stay blessed.